Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you about NEB Tm Calculator. It's the tool I discussed in my last video of primer designing. We can use this tool to estimate the melting temperature for our selected primer. So it can help you set up your PCR annealing temperature and other PCR setup. So it is the most accurate and reliable tool we can use. So for this, you can just go on this open source of NEB Tm Calculator. Here you can select the product group, any product you are using, if it's Q5 Hotstar or tag polymerase, Hotstar tag, or any kit if you are using, you can select that. After using the product group, you will get the polymerase. It will be defined in your product of your kit. You can select one of them if it's polymerase or 2x master mix. As we are going with Q5, we will be getting options for Q5 product in our kit, and if you select something else, you will get option for that also. So if in this the primary concentration is mentioned, you can fill it by seeing what's in your product, and you can reset and again run it. So here we can fill our primer sequence that we have designed previously, or if you have any different primer sequence, you can fill it there also. So for example, I'm going to show you this example input where I put this sequence for an instance, and here we directly get the annealing temperature. So you can set this temperature in your PCR setup in your thermocycler program, and we have this exact data for our primer 1, GC content, and the melting temperature of this primer. So this is for primer 2, and you can go with any primer you have selected for your experiment. So thank you. I hope you understand how you use this tool. Thank you so much.